Hello guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a cute plushie avatar. First, let me get the default body I made. Let's go to the marketplace. Now let's search Claire. Okay, Claire. Claire, like that, okay? Now get the free one. It's only free avatar. Get a Claire avatar. I already had that because I know how to make it. Now get City Life Woman. Okay, click the City Life Woman and let's wait. In the first one, let's get that. Now let's get the Danny avatar. Because I'm too lazy, I already had it. The Danny avatar. The one that's free. This is the Danny avatar. Wait, I found it. Wait. over there. Okay, guys, that is the Danny avatar you need to get. Okay? Now, don't equip this. First, get your avatar, like the default one, or if you're poor, do this. I already have my stuff. The first, let's get the City Life Woman torso. Okay, we found it. Now let's get the Danny hands, left arms. Okay, let's get that. To be a plushie, do that. Two of them. Now get Claire's leg. I forgot which one is her leg. Wait, I found it. Wait, I forgot. Over there. There is it. This is free. Okay, we already did that. Now keep the head like that so it's free. And let's make it chubby like cute. Now do your style, guys. Okay, I'm looking for my style. I'm gonna buy. I already have cute hairs. Okay, this is free. Free stuff. Yeah, you already get the stuff. Okay, I'm still picking it. Which shirt should I choose? I wanna choose. Okay, this shirt should be cute. Okay, get an outwear shirt and pick a skin you love. If you want to be a plushie, I want to be the white plushie. This is your style. Only get the tops, not the outwear. Look when you get the shirt, okay? Look when you get the shirt. What's happening? What's that noise? Hey, sorry, that noise just doing nothing. What's that? No, that was unexpected. So let's get the stuff. Okay, see what happens when you get the shirts, okay? When you press shirt, oops. Okay, if you press the shirt, you cannot get it. Now, let's pick your pants. I already have these pants. This is my style. Now, goodbye, guys.